Hey everybody, my name is Corey and this is my garden diary. Today we're gonna go out and we are gonna harvest my blue turmeric that I planted this spring. It's the first time I've ever done it. I put it in different areas all over the garden to see, who is happiest where, and it is ready to harvest. I'm also gonna look at my ginger, and the reason why I'm growing ginger and I've added blue turmeric is really medicinal, more medicinal than the orange or the yellow. They also have white and they have black. And with my addictive personality, I'm probably going to add all of those into my garden this spring, and a neem tree. But let me show you what I'm doing. Like, I buy these capsules from Amazon, and they're just like little vitamin capsules, and I can fill up anything I want with them. And what I fill them up with, I'm going to start with my favorite, is moringa. I have my own moringa tree, and it just gives me so much. It's crazy. Like, if you have one tree, you can't kill it. It's has all of your protein, all of your vitamins, all your minerals that you need for a day. So why wouldn't you do that? So it's food. I've actually seen people do an experiment where they lived on it for 30 days straight, just moringa alone, and they had all of their protein, vitamins, minerals. So this is turmeric. This is the orange or yellow that you cook with. Now the blue that I'm growing is more medicinal and it's not recommended to cook with it. So I'm gonna add these colors, all these colors to my garden so I can cook with it. This is ginger. Turmeric and ginger, I love them both. So I want to eliminate this from buying it from a store, both of these things. And I take neem. Neem is a powder I buy, and you just have to do your own research. I've done the research for myself. I'm not in medications or anything, so you just have to do what's good for you. But this is food. If you go to an Indian restaurant, you're eating this stuff, like, probably, more than likely. But I had a neem tree and I killed her last year, and this spring I'm gonna add a new neem tree so I can eliminate buying this as well. So let's go into the garden and see what we got. It looks dead. Next to my pineapple here. Let's see what we got. Not a whole lot. A little bit. Let's go see the other ones. This one might be a little bigger. Oh my goodness. Ooh, look at that. How cool is that? It's more than I started with. Let's get some more. I think I have about 6 of these. Remember, cut it open and see what it looks like. Oh, here's another one. I have to put these bricks around because to protect my plants. This one, not so much. Not so much, but enough to plant more. I'll just keep doing that. We got some roofers in the neighborhood roofing today. Let's see. This one was a big, fat, pretty plant, and it didn't really give me a whole lot. I mean, it's enough to replant more. That's about it. Huh. And I've done nothing to this. Let's see a little guy over here. This guy is planted right next to my comfrey. I thought they'd do. Oh, now I gotta dig. Not the biggest amount, but it's something. I'm going to use this just like mulch and put it right back in there. So I got a little mulch out of the deal, but let's cut one open and see what they look like. It doesn't look very blue on the outside. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh my goodness. Oh my, that's worth it right there, y'all. Oh my goodness, look how pretty that is. I see blue in there, but I see mostly green. This is good, this is good. I have enough just on this one plant. I mean, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 on just this one that I can replant. So now I started with 6 plants, and this one plant is going to give me 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I can have 23 plants now, ginger. But look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. Let's go look at our ginger. I said I'm going to plant ginger. This is turmeric. Oh my goodness. Anyways, let's go look at our ginger and see what we got. Here's a little spider web. Just gonna not pay attention to it. This is some of my ginger. Let's see what we've got here. I can see it coming out of the ground. Let me show you. There's some ginger right there. Look at that. Let's pick it. Oh, that broke. Oh, I can smell it. Oh my goodness. Nice. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. Let's see what we got. I'm going to replant most of this. I got vine in here. You don't have to do much to this in Florida. Oh my goodness, there's a piece right there. Look at that. I actually saw a flower on these guys the other day. Look at that. Ginger. The spider's hiding from me. Okay. Now I'm going to have to dig. Mulch. See what's in there. Look at that. I'm happy. I was thinking my turmeric was going to be like this, but mulch. Oh, I can smell it. Good ginger. I can keep some of this and plant some of this. All this ginger that I planted was from the grocery store. And you're not supposed to do that because they could spray wax on it or whatever. But if it starts budding on your counter, you can plant it. Get some more. Oh my goodness. This is my asparagus over here too. I'm trying to, right under the spider web. He's not a big guy, but he's a guy. Sorry, dude. I gotta get my ginger. Oh, of course it broke. Oh my goodness. Nice. Nice. Can you see that? I'm throwing it. Yeah. That's a big chunk. Look at that. Oh, I'm so happy with this. This is the best ginger harvest I've ever done in my life. I love it. Here's another little piece. And if you miss any, it'll grow back more. I think that's it. That's a nice chunk. This is awesome. Got lots to replant and a lot to dehydrate and eat. I'm gonna cook with it tonight. Come up with something, make some fresh ginger, 1-day-old ginger recipe. There's my turmeric. There's my ginger. I'm happy. They look a lot alike, don't they? Let's see what we got. So you can take this and crack that piece off, crack this piece off, and grow 3 plants right there. Crack this in half right here, grow some plants right there. Take this in the house, and make a recipe. That's what I'm doing with it. This is pretty awesome. Here's some nice big chunks. This is like stuff you buy at the grocery store. This is so cool. Look at that. It smells really, really good. Oh my goodness. And then I got my little turmeric and I'm super, super happy. Let me wash it off. I was gonna wear gloves. Look at that. It's beautiful. So we're just gonna replant all of the turmeric because I may keep a piece or two for myself. And but I'm gonna like keep tripling my turmeric garden. It's awesome. So this is something you guys can do. Hi roofing guys. This is something you can do on your property. It doesn't take a lot of room. I planted it in the spring. This is December, middle of December. The ginger's been in there for a while. I just pick it as I need it. I keep it in there, and obviously the longer it's in there, the bigger it is. But look how pretty that is. I'm so happy with it. I had one good, really, really good clump of the turmeric, and I'm happy with that. And we'll just keep growing it. That's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and all that stuff. I'll talk to you later. Bye.